Everybody just playing closer to each other, no mask wearing and stuff is just ridiculous, you know what I mean?
It's the figure health officials have been dreading. New South Wales has recorded 112 cases of COVID-19 in the past 24 hours. It's the highest daily number of COVID cases for New South Wales since this same time last year, when the state recorded 194 cases on July 3rd, 2020. 75% of the 112 cases were from southwest Sydney, with the New South Wales Premier calling out one LGA in particular.
The vast majority of cases in the Fairfield local government area, and I need to call that out. Everybody in Fairfield should be staying at home unless they absolutely have to.
In light of the worrying trend in numbers, Greater Sydney's current lockdown looks certain to be extended, possibly up to 6 weeks.
I think we're looking at 4 to 6 weeks. 4 optimistic, 6 maybe more realistic.
Of the 112 new local infections, 64 cases are linked to a known case or cluster, 34 cases were infectious in the community, 48 cases remain under investigation. Experts are calling for New South Wales Premier Gladys Berejiklian to introduce tighter restrictions and a harder lockdown as the state's outbreak continues to spiral out of control.
They are not enough. They are not like the stage 4 restrictions in the gold standard state for these things, which is Victoria. And until they are, we will be running behind to try to stop the spread of the Delta variant in Sydney.
The comments came after a woman in her 90s died on Saturday, hours after testing positive for COVID-19. She was the first COVID death from a locally acquired infection in Australia this year.